You got one. Good afternoon and welcome to this, March 10th Evansville Water and Sewer Board meeting. And we will start by asking the board if there's anything on the consent agenda list that you would like to take off and bring forward and discuss later in the meeting. Seeing nothing then we'll go into the consent agenda, which is going to be the minutes of the Water and Sewer Utility Board meeting on February the 24th of 2026, the payroll week ending February the 22nd of 2026, and it's for $498,029.50. The payroll week ending March 1st, 2026, and it's for $199,014.28. This will also include accounts payable voucher register, the pay request, which will be found in Appendix A, the Eagle Valley easement, Evansville Vandenberg School Corporation, approval of the Lang Disler Road water line extension. This is PD 1044. Eastleigh Land Surveying LLC. Fee is going to be $600. Approval of the Evansville Water and Sewer Utility job position title change recommended by Keith Penny. This is your list of consent agenda, and I would entertain a motion to approve.
Second.
I have a motion and a second. Thank you. All those in favor signify by saying aye.
Aye.
Opposed, same sign. The motion carries. Good afternoon.
How are you?
Fine, the next would be the unfinished business, and this will be opening bids for the Eagles lift station replacement and force main completion phase 2 project U1078. This is recommended by Logan Guth and Ryan Meyer. Afternoon, sir.
Thank you. Good afternoon. Just a quick reminder, this is the Eagles force main completion project to complete the new 12-inch force main that was started in the initial phase 1 of the Eagles project several years ago. So we held our pre-bid meeting on the 24th of February. And if it's all the same to you, Mr. President, we're ready to open bids.
Okay, let's do that, Tim. First bid that I have here is for Dyke Brothers Lumber and Construction Company, Inc. And it's for their base bid is $3,018,892. There's this is actually a base, that was base bid plus mandatory alternate 1.
Correct.
Let me get that correct. And then the second part, there's base bid plus mandatory alternate 2. And the base bid alternate number 2 is for $2,881,512. The next in front of me is the Infrastructure Systems Incorporated, and their base bid plus mandatory alternate 1 is $3,644,135. And then their bid amount number 2, which is the base bid plus mandatory alternate 2, is for $3,569,635. And I have in front of me now Koberstein Contracting, Inc. Their bid amount from number 1, which is the base bid plus mandatory alternate 1, is for $2,299,707. And for bid amount 2, which is the bid plus mandatory alternate 2, is for $2,173,752.
752.
752. Let me check. That all done. Okay, that was it. There was three.
Thank you, Mr. President.
What would you like to do?
like to seek the board's permission to take these under advisement and come back with a recommendation.
Okay. He would like to seek approval and come back at later with a recommendation. And we need a motion for that.
So move.
Okay, we have a motion to check these out and then come back later. All those in favor signify by saying aye.
Aye.
Opposed, same sign. That's what we'll do.
Thank you.
Thank you. Do you need to? Yes. Okay, next will be new business under the water SRF. It's to approve to advertise for public bids for the WTP improvements, bid package 2, miscellaneous plant improvements, project U1276. This is being recommended by Logan Goof and Ryan Meyer.
Thank you again.
You're up again, sir.
Up again. This is the second of 3 bid packages for improvements to the existing surface water treatment plant behind me. The first bid package was actually bid package number 3 that we started with at the end of last year, which was awarded to Bowen Engineering. That was for the rehab to the existing low service intake pump station. This bid package number 2 that we're looking to advertise is more of a mixed bag scattered throughout the plant. It includes the procurement and installation of existing wash water piping, 1.5 million gallon clear well crack inspection and repairs, slide gate replacement in the 1.5 million gallon clear well, installation of vertical turbine pumps with VFD to provide backwash for the north filters, installation of vertical split case pumps in the south filter building to recharge wash water tanks, replacement of generator automatic transfer switch, provide load bank connection provisions for the generator testing, rehab of plant switchgear and the generator, removal and replacement of several power panels, installation of new VFDs for several of our high service pumps, replacement of several corroded electrical enclosures, cable and conduit work, and also replacement of some MCCs as well. So like I said, this is a little bit of a mixed bag bid package, but for repairs that we deem to be time sensitive and critical in nature at the existing surface water plant. So with the board's permission, we'd like to advertise that starting this Friday. And the bid opening date, I don't believe I had on here, but I believe it was scheduled for April 21st.
Do we have any other questions for Logan? Okay, then I would entertain a motion to approve to advertise for public bids for the WTP improvements. This bid package would be number 2, and it would be miscellaneous plant improvements. This would be project U1276.
Second.
Have a motion and second. Thank you. All those in favor signify by saying aye.
Aye.
Opposed, same sign. I vote aye and the motion carries.
Thank you.
Thank you. Our next would be our sewer improvement fund. And this would be approve a new professional service agreement in the amount of $1,002,500 to Lockmuller Group, Inc. to provide U1304 program management services for the sewer program recommended by Ryan Meyer and Sean Wright. So now, when it's between you and Sean, then you have to come make the presentation, huh?
I elected to.
You elected. Oh,
With a push.
with a push.
Odd man out.
Oh, yeah, that's what it was.
Small straw.
Thank you.
Go ahead, sir.
Good afternoon, board and directors. I'm seeking your approval today of this new engineering service agreement with Lockmuller. This agreement will engage Lockmuller Group to provide program management services for the planning, development, and execution of our sewer program, which includes both program level support and project specific support as needed to adequately support the execution of our planned sewer capital projects for the remainder of 26. These master tasks identified in this contract include program implementation, meetings, design management, program planning, operational support, IOCP support, land acquisition modeling, and any other services as needed. These are very similar to the tasks that Lockmuir has performed for us in the past, ever since 2014 to present day. But we have broadened it with this particular agreement to be covering all general aspects of the sewer side. So originally they were primarily focused as IOCP support. Now we've broadened that to include things such as modeling specifically. It used to be unique agreements, and now we're incorporating that into one contract. As I mentioned, this covers the remainder of 26. The term on this is starts upon execution to December 31st, and we have had this good working relationship with them since 2014. So I do recommend approval of this agreement with Lockmuir in the amount stated, and I'll be happy to entertain any questions you might have.
Okay. Do we have any other questions, or do we have questions for Ryan? Seeing none, then I would entertain a motion to approve a new professional service agreement in the amount of $1,002,500 to Lockmuir Group, Inc. to provide U1304 program management services for the sewer program.
Second.
Have a motion and a second. Thank you. All those in favor signify by saying aye.
Aye.
Opposed, same sign. I vote aye. The motion carries.
Thank you.
The next piece of business is to approve amendment number 2 to the engineering services agreement with Commonwealth Engineering, Inc. for the Eagles Lift Station Replacement and Force Main Completion Phase 2 Project U1078, recommended by Logan Goof and Ryan Meyer. Please explain.
Thank you again. This amendment number 2 to Commonwealth is for the project that we just opened bids for, the Eagles Force Main Completion Project. This amendment in particular covers some additional assistance that Commonwealth offered through the tail end of the design phase and bidding phases that we've just completed. And as we enter into the construction phase, Commonwealth has served as our design engineering partner on this project, and it's worthwhile and advantageous for the utility to keep them on throughout the construction phase to serve in a shop drawing review or submittal review capacity, as well as to be able to lean on them from the design engineering perspective. American Structure Point will be serving as the CESRPR on the project through the construction phase, but we'd like to retain Commonwealth as the design engineer role throughout the construction phase. So I'd be happy to answer any questions that you have on this amendment.
Is there a set dollar amount for this amendment?
Yes, sorry, it is for $30,000. And like I said, that covers services that they have provided through the tail end of design and bidding, and also provisions for the construction phase.
Thank you.
Any other?
That's not to exceed. That's the
It
amount.
is, yeah. No, it's not to exceed.
It's not.
Yeah.
Okay.
Any other questions or thoughts? Seeing none, then I would entertain a motion to approve amendment number 2 for the engineering service agreement with Commonwealth Engineers, Inc. for the Eagles Lift Station Replacement and Force Main Completion Phase 2 Project U1078.
So moved. Second.
Have a motion and a second. All those in favor signify by saying aye.
Aye.
Opposed, same sign. I vote aye, and the motion carries.
Thank you.
Okay. Is there anything that any of the board members would like to bring up at this time for this meeting?
Where's the boss?
He is in San Antonio at a groundwater symposium conference to study a little bit more of what we're doing with our groundwater search for our blended stand. So it came up and we were looking at who was the best one to go, and I stepped back and pushed him forward
Odd man out again.
You've done that quite a few times here lately.
twice today.
Thank you.
Anything else? You have anything to bring, or some of the other directors?
Not at this time. We'd just like to thank everybody for the time. Vic, did say he wanted to be here. He called earlier, but he got volunteered, so, we just told him we'd try to fill the seat till he got back
I bet he hated that.
in San Antonio, and he said it was 85 and sunny.
Yeah. Okay, is there anyone in the audience that has any comments they'd like to bring before the board today? Okay, seeing none then, our next scheduled meeting will be Tuesday, March the 24th, 2026 of this year, here at 3 o'clock, here in the pump station. With that, unless there's anything else, then I would entertain a motion for adjournment.
Second.
Have a motion and a second for adjournment. All those in favor signify by saying aye.
Aye.
Opposed, same sign. I vote aye, and we are adjourned. Thank you for your time this afternoon.
Are there minutes for signature?